Proper installation of TAFE power gensets is very important. This video will cover the installation guidelines of TAFE power genset. Various topics covered in this video are site selection, preparation of foundation, unloading and placement, earthing, exhaust piping, power cabling, battery capacity and cable size. Gensets can be placed preferably in open areas on RCC or PCC foundation, inside room or basement of a building with proper ventilation arrangement, or on rooftop. Open area installation. TAFE power gensets have provisions of cross airflow with cutouts for fresh air inlet and hot air discharge. Ensure free space of 1 to 1.25 meter around the genset and free flow of air. For multiple genset installation, minimum 1.5 to 2 meter free space is required between both the gensets. Parking area, basement installation. For parking area or basement installation, maintain cross ventilation for fresh air inlet and hot air discharge through proper opening. For installation in closed area, ensure proper ventilation through use of ducting and installation of sucker and blower fans. Ensure free space around and above the genset for free flow of air. Genset foundation should not be made over any basement, water tank, sewer line, loose sand or clay. Rooftop installation. For rooftop installation, protection boundary wall needs to be ensured for safety of operator. Free space of minimum 1 to 1.25 meters should be maintained around the genset. Foundation. Foundation is one of the important factors affecting the successful operation and life of genset. The length and width of the foundation should be 600 mm more than that of the DG set size, that is 300 mm on each side. Genset foundation should be 150 to 250 mm below the ground level, depending upon the soil condition. For preparing PCC foundation, use a mixture of cement, gravel and sand in the ratio of 1:2:4. For RCC foundation, iron bar of suitable size should be used. Prepare RCC foundation by using same mixture of cement, gravel and sand. Genset foundation should be strong enough to support 1.5 to 2 times of total weight of genset. Foundation should be water leveled and evenly flat. Foundation should be 150 to 250 mm above the ground level. Foundation for rooftop installation. A rooftop installation requires proper planning and the structural design considerations for dynamic loading. The weight of the genset should be on column and beam through proper foundation. MS channel should be used on the column of the building to cater the load of genset. MS sheet is already provided with TAFE power genset at the bottom of canopy, making it suitable for rooftop installation. Unloading and placement. Unload the genset by using proper lifting tackle with nylon sling or soft sling of suitable capacity to avoid any damage. Use center lift points on the canopy which provide support to the equipment when it is moved. Genset should be placed exactly in the middle of the foundation. Ensure suitable distance from genset for safety. Avoid rolling of genset through pipes as it can damage base rail. Place genset on rooftop with proper care. Earthing. Earthing of alternator, neutral and genset body plays a vital role for grounding of fault current and is crucial for safety of operator and equipment. Commonly used earthing type are of copper plate earthing or chemical earthing. 4 earth pits are required for genset earthing, 2 numbers for body and 2 numbers for neutral earthing. Distance between 2 earth pits should be minimum 2 meters. The neutral earth pits and body earth pits should be located on opposite sides of the canopy. Connect the 2 neutral earth pits to form the neutral earth grid. Similarly, connect the two body earth pits to form the body earth grid. Body and neutral earth should never be interconnected. Earthing of genset should be done in accordance with the local regulations. The recommended length and width of earth pit is 1000 millimeters and the depth is 1800 millimeters. The length and width of copper plate should be 500 millimeters and the thickness should be 8 millimeters. Once the earth pit soil digging is completed, place the copper plate unit with perforated pipe and funnel. Then fill the charcoal, salt, and soil in the earth pit alternatively. Fill up the ground level layer by layer in the same sequence. Then add water to the funnel. Put cover on earth pit. Dig a hole on earth of 200 to 300 millimeters diameter up to 2 to 3 meters in depth according to the length of the electrode so that the connection terminal should remain above the ground level. Place earthing electrode at the center of the hole. Mix the chemical compound nicely with water to make a thick and slurry mixture. Pour mixture in surrounding area of electrode gradually to reach up to ground level. Connect earthing strip to electrode terminal firmly using bolts and nuts. Insert one test rod at 10 meters and another test rod at 20 meters away from the earth pit. Short E1 and P1 points of earth tester and connect it to earth pit. Connect first test rod placed at 10 meters to P2 and second test rod placed at 20 meters with E2 of tester. Select resistance range of 10 ohms and press test button. Ampere will flow through earth pit and test rod from meter and resistance will be displayed on screen. Resistance value should be equal to or less than 1 ohm. AC voltage value should be equal to or less than 5 volts. Exhaust piping. If exhaust piping extension is required, then it is to be done with support and clamping. Extend the exhaust piping using proper flange and maintain extended exhaust pipe diameter and height as per TAFE power guidelines. If the number of bends are more than 4, increase the diameter of exhaust pipe and bend by 0.5 inches for addition of each bend. If the extension of exhaust pipe is more than 5 meters above genset, increase the pipe diameter by 0.5 inch for every 3 meters. Power cabling. Connect power cable of recommended size using proper gland and lugs. Ensure proper crimping of lugs with cable and firm tightness of power cable nuts at terminals. Battery capacity and cable size. Use recommended size battery cable with proper lugs and terminal connector. Use recommended capacity of battery as per genset rating.